All right, guys. All right. How we doing out there, guys? I took a trade here at 9:30s, selling some of it right here. I got long at 973 on this pullback here. Looking for this to break $10 here. Hi, beautiful. How we doing? No, I was sleeping and I just woke up. I'm just doing some trading. I'm in the trade right now. Alright, we're gonna look for this to break $10 here so I can make a good profit here. Don't want this below 980. 980 would be my out. Want to see this break $10 here. Got 999s going through there. $98s. Here comes the 10 pop. Looking to sell there. Big sellers coming in there. I'm trying to get out here. I got an order to sell at 10.07. I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna cancel it to $10. I want to see what happened there when 10s went through there. I know we had some big selling there. There's the $10. Looking for the 10.07. 10.06, 10. Alright, not liking that right there. Looking to take some profit now. Instead. This could come down to 80s. I'm gonna sell right here. Boom. Sold right there. Could hold a little bit more into this push right here. But seeing as we were red for the day, and this is a beautiful trade. I watched this trade developed here at 2 p.m. As this came back here, I watched the 1 up, 1 down, 2 up, 2 down, 3 up, 3 down. And as it broke right here, I wanted to add there at 970. I didn't get filled, but as it came back up here, I knew that it would come down to this resistance spot. So I wanted to get in on, I put out an order right here, 972, and I got filled there right there at 973. So then I was risking off of that 54 or down here on that 64. More than likely I would have just sold if it would have came down to this level of 60s. Risk about 13 cents there. I knew it could blow back up and get near that $10 range. Just like right now, I could look for a $10 push again to long into $10 for a continuous push, but I'm gonna go ahead and just take that profit right there. As you can see, we are now up $13 on the day. We're now up $13, so definitely don't want to give that back there, as we are now green for the day. I don't do too much afternoon trading, but one thing I'm noticing in this market that we're in right now, especially this the summer market, is that you have to really watch stocks all throughout. If you can keep like a 5-minute chart up and just kind of just relax and come back after lunch, really watch these stocks do this whole move here. So if you really watch, we get the same thing that I try to do, but you got it with a 5-minute pattern here. Just like I think it's gonna pull back here some as it's extended here and could continue going, but it's definitely extended there. All right, so what we got here We got a small move in the morning pre-market, and then we got this red to green move. We got a flag here. We got that one up, one down, two up. And then this is where most people get confused on my strategy. Is two down here or is two down here? Well, believe it or not, if the support is what you want to draw out so that you can understand it better. So then right here, you can look at its support, but I think it's usually at the bottom of this candle right here. You look for one of these kind of candles, or the top right here. So that's the one up, one down, two up, two down. Then we got these little motions. So what you want to see is, for it to actually be considered an up move, you want it to break above this resistance line. So that 80 is the actual move up here. So when it breaks that 80 and it comes back down over to this 890, that would be the breakout sign above here for this pullback. So that's why you really want to see this develop more. 15 minutes can always help you out later in the day. You got that one up, one down, two up, two down, three up, three down, and then it starts curling up there, filling in there over here for the breakout. These are long-term pattern trades. They don't fool us that often. So this is why you want to go ahead and take good risk measures to go ahead and take a good trade like this. We're going to take a look at any other big movers that's moving right now before I get off. I think I'm done for the day, but I came back just to see if I could find a good trade here. Seeing KTOV there. Did a little run at like 120. Up there at 310 area, but the crash can be down under $3. It could really crash down here. And we got one attempt to break out, two attempts to break out. I think this would be the third attempt to break out above the VWAP. If it doesn't do it, it would look good for a failure. Above 318 is what you would want to see on KTOV for a long. And a short is failing that, coming back down here. We pulled back to that 73 again on that support. So we want to watch this, see if we can get it back above $10. People shorting it there at 990s, I feel. I don't feel it's going to break there. Getting that down move here. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and get on out of here. We made that amazing trade there. I'm going to show you it right now. Show you right now that right there, getting in there, 973, out there at 991 and 997. Beautiful gain there, $42. Account up 13 there, right there for the day. That gets us green for the day. After commissions, we would just be like a break-even kind of day, but I'll go ahead and I'll take that. Alright, you guys have a great day. Like always, I'll come in, I'll come out.